Hey guys, today I will tell you how you can move Solana from Phantom to Binance. So first of all, open your Phantom wallet. Your tokens appear on the home page. Now tap Solana to open its details. Then tap send. Phantom now asks for the address that will receive the coins. Now leave Phantom for a moment and open the Binance app. On the main screen, tap the deposit. A search bar appears. Now here type Solana and pick SOL. Binance shows several networks, so choose the native Solana network, not BIP20 or any wrapped option. Now Binance shows a long address and a QR code. Copy the address. Now return to Phantom, paste the address in the box, tap next, choose the amount of Solana you want to send. I will press max so every coin moves at once. Phantom shows the network fee, which is usually less than a cent. Make sure you keep a tiny bit of Sol in the wallet to cover that fee. Now check the fee and address one more time. If everything looks right, tap send. Phantom signs the transaction and broadcasts it. Switch back to Binance. Tap wallet and open the spot tab. Pull down to refresh the page. Binance also sends a push alert when the deposit clears. After one or two confirmations on the Solana chain, the new balance appears. This step usually takes under a minute when the network is clear, though it can take a little longer at busy times. When the deposit arrives, the move is complete. You can now trade, stake, or sell the Solana inside Binance.